the place when you want a good time. Just for fun for the place when you open your mind. Just for fun, I mean I want to see it done. Just for fun, laugh till the drop done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
The story had changed. First you tell me so I can't come see you tonight, cause you got your sister. And now you tell me so I can't come see you tonight, cause you got a studio. Why am I have a funny feeling to you try to avoid me?
No, me not avoid you. What was that me did say it backwards? What I mean say is me I got a studio, and then me I got my sister. Yeah, that me I got. Me I got my studio, and then me I got my sister. Me not avoid you, man. Trust me.
Can't me feel say you're a coward. I meet you match. But it's alright.
Yeah, go on take your time and go on here, Mrs. Park. You can't so wicked for after you almost killed me last night. You want to come back tonight, come strike the final blow. No song can sing so.
Right then, Carter, when you get sister, and where she live? I agree with Mrs. Park, you called out the thing. You finally meet too much, my youth.
You know, so I'm not going to argue with you. Because when you're right, you're right. But me can't make she know that.
Well, now you know why she call herself Mrs. Park, the talker Akiwak.
Boy, I better she go and stay Akiwak, yeah. Carter wave the white flag, my youth. One time I come like a run out of one place in my youth. Just me.
Well, that's you and your rock and roll lifestyle in general. But as you're a freelance manager, I have my job to do. I appreciate the fact you respect the management position where you appoint me and take my phone call so early this morning. Even though you say no sleep yet, you still make the effort for come see me for this face-to-face meeting here, cause it's important. I know it was a last minute thing, but I have to take it when I get it, you see me?
When you talk about Arms House, serious about my career, you know. It's a good look that for Carrot right now. When you line up some more of them interviews there for me too.
I know that, my general. That's why right now I line up some more links to get to some more interview for the rest of them other talk show there.
Well on, remember last week you tell me saying I line up the interview for me. I'm not sure say if me do get to go up on it, why I make them know a certain question, them can't ask me.
Carrot, professionalism me I deal with, you know. That's why when I sit down with you as a carrot, if you go up on an interview, you have to have a list of some key things you want them to ask you, and some things you don't want them to ask you. And we sit down, and I write down all them things that you tell me. And I get one of my little sister and them, type it up in a little document, and she send it over to them. As a matter of fact, she CC me and you. If you check your email, you'll see it.
Then I call one college have to do with this, my youth.
CC, my youth. That's when she send a copy of the mail to me and you. Carrot, to come like say face comprehension ability, and rub off my youth. Yeah, I'm tell you the truth. I don't really know what the CC stand for neither, you know. But just know say it means send me and you a copy too.
Me know what it mean, cause something I'm not deal with. It mean carbon copy. I don't know say Carrot original, you see me? You out order, compare my comprehension to face. Carrot tired. Still not get no sleep after the beat down there Mrs. Park come give me my own place.
Well, you have to go up now get dressed, you know, and try to get some sleep now. Carrot now come pick you up. Cause you're the first person in my interview, and your interview at 11:30, so I want to catch you by at least 10 o'clock.
So early? Somewhere from Mullins Road them there.
Professionalism, Carrot. Professionalism. Plus you don't know the traffic stay.
Yo, man, you record some for me, you know, so Tread can post it.
Yeah, man, as long as I'm alright with that. For your vlog, right?
Yeah.
Actor.
And there's another me who I watch me I go to it. And the other next me I watch the two of me.
Artiste. Some might even call him a waste man. And to some, an all-round entertainer.
Yo, watch it now. Yo, run it flick, run it flick, run it flick. Run it flick, run it flick, run it flick.
Ready flip, ready flip, ready flip.
Although he would rather be known as the man for the girl them tears and the woman them ties. And the man we're talking about is Carrot, right now, right here, on our stage. Carrot,
Yeah.
welcome back. Good to meet you.
Yeah, why you say Winford? Like I could have skipped the waistband part there still. And yeah, the part they talk about me for the girl them tears and the woman them ties. No, Carrot the man for the girl them ears and the woman them eyes. See?
Okay.
I feel no way still low in Winford. Can me give thanks to the eye for bring me upon the show, you know me I say?
Okay.
But you know me can't come on stage and I big up the Just Fun crew. You know me I say Winford?
Okay. Well, of course. Go and pick up the one, man.
Yeah, cause you don't know. Yo, one big up man like Face. Saying Darius, Sweet Sap, Cutie, Bigger, and the whole I crew. So me I deal with me there. Go and hold it down till me come in, saying Yaga.
Now, Carrot, me and my viewers all would like to know about your journey and how you came to be in this space.
Hey yo Winford, me know me might look up to the time to the eye still you know. But trust me, sleep a splash out me eye like you wouldn't believe. So Uncle my manager could have tell you which route him take for make the journey for reach at this place. Cause from me jump na van and knock me knock out. And when me reach him I wake me up.
No, Carrot, we're not talking about that type of journey. The journey we're talking about is your musical journey, your acting journey. That's the journey we're talking about. How did we get here?
Yo, John Winford, my frost tell me a talk called bare foolishness. Yo Winford, me have to apologize to you and your viewers them boss. Cause what? Can't come here interview tired. Me just have to there go and try hold it. You know I go along Winford. This could be if I name Mrs. Spark, the talker Aki walk. I dare me from where there so she want come bill. So me finally give in to her last night and say, alright, come bill. But no bill no go on. I be a tear down all night. Trust me Winford, Mrs. Spark, the talker Aki walk. She never no walk in her park.
Why, Carrot, you know easy at all, you know. You know easy at all. That's why you say she name. Mrs. Spark, the talker Aki walk. Why you know easy at all, Carrot? But anyway, tell us about this journey that how you arrived at this space of an artist, or as some would say, an all-round entertainer. Give me and my viewers what a brief history how this thing has started. Like at what age do you realize that you had talent?
Well, Winford, the one knows my journey started in a mobile, you know. Yeah, that's a Carrot originate. An era called Salem, which part Cornwall Regional Hospital there. As a matter of fact, I did some chop out. Winford, the same time I utter the first word, mama. You see how I say it just now? Or somebody did say it back then. Carrot born with a voice here, you see me?
So I say, Carrot, for me, a little boy, I have them voice here.
I'm not tell you to my born with the Winford.
I would have to say that it's quite intriguing.
Hey, Winford, me used to have all duck foot, you know. But nobody could dance like me, you know me I say?
Okay.
Hey, Winford, they used to laugh off of me in a school, you know. I say me have bullfrog in my throat. You know, youth and youths there.
Boy, Carrot, to see like what you might have thought once was a curse, turned out to be a blessing after all.
I know, so I never look upon it like no curse. Cause what? I just really, the boy them used to tease me still. But see the girl them like me singing voice. Cause I don't know certain time me sing it smooth like butter. You know me I say? So I used to half one away with the girl them. I sing to them and thrill them. So that is just a brief history of the first part of Carrot life before we move come a town. So after we move come a town, the woman I stay with, she say, boy, she give me a little place to catch. But she not feed me, I have to find my own food. So you don't know it got ready.
Okay.
So fast forward a little bit and me there town. And me have a shoes at the door and fix because the bottom I lift off. So I find a shoemaker saying, so after I go in the shop, one of the shoemaker them in the name Face, hear my voice and them say, yo, you can't DJ my youth. Them tell them I don't know Face yet, you know. And them say, yo, if me know for DJ, him know a big DJ who has a come around them era most of the time, who probably can get me in the studio. But them time the big DJ I talk about was bigger. But me don't know bigger them time. Them know him as an artist. So after Face give me my address and tell him to come link him around them ends. Grown I go link him and him woman boy she take a liking to me, you know. She have me up as a little brother. I was like, she don't stop feed me. Every day she make food for me. So I take care of my food situation. I'm not telling her I win for. This them people Darius and Face. That was like a blessing to my life. Trust me. But, hey, I'm going to look a secret about Face no fan never know. No fan things to them call him Face cause I'm Face. But I know that's why them call him Face. Them call him Face cause no matter how bad the shoes mash up and tear up, him can reface it, make it look brand new again. A face them used to call him, you know, but I me cut it down to face.
Okay, that was quite an interesting journey. Now, Carrot, you're an artist of great conviction, as you have often showed in your acting ability. How did you become a part of Just for Fun? Tell me and my viewers, the whole world, and everyone that's watching right now, how did this all come about?
Well, WINFORD, there's a long and a short answer to the question there, you know. But I'll give you a shot.
Okay.
When it's right I shop, that's how shall we hang out. I used to them sell the wickedest fried chicken one time, but through the chef as I talk about more pies in the pot and all them things, enough people kind of back off, you know what I say? So this youth of them trade used to come around there for the fried chicken and secret sauce like everybody else. You know what I deal with?
Okay.
So most of the time the chef always late with the food, so I'm fair wait. So more time I'm wait to my bill with me and go and all the vibes, you know what I say? So I show me say, yo, I love bring him camera come around there and go and record how I live, cause people that love see them thing up on them YouTube channel, you know what I say?
Okay.
So I look at them and I say, yo, Ched, you talk about to the world? And them say, yo, to the world. And I say, what you mean? Run the flick. And WINFORD, you don't know the rest of history. That's just a short version still. You not quote that shell, you know what I deal with? Hey, WINFORD, forget my full journey, you know. You have to give me a full episode. Cause right now, you're going to give me a little piece. You can't want slot carrot time and a little 10-15 minute thing. WINFORD, not say a joke business you deal with.
Why you don't use that time, Carrot?
What you mean? So all the other people you have lined up for interview back at me. Yeah, I'm alright, but you don't know. A carrot have the juice, forget your woman views up. Or you feel say a joke me I make, come and tell you say carrot are the man for the girl them ears and the woman them eyes.
I'm telling you say something else in that Carrot. I'm telling you say I read something else. Okay. Now this is a perfect segue for my next question. Now, Carrot, you've had one of your relationships play out in front of all of our eyes in the public space. I'm talking about the relationship you once had with Katina. Tell me and my viewers and all that's watching us right now all about it.
Hey, WINFORD, what you deal with? You know so you're not supposed to ask about that girl there. My man just said send you a memo with a list of questions what I want you to ask and a list of questions what you don't for ask me.
Well, Carrot, as they say, there's just about two sides to every story. We've heard her side.
WINFORD, him da lead me astray and all these things, so me da have to leave him. Him have me a think say me and him in a relationship, when all along I just a relationship with the Dina and all these things.
Tell us about your side of the storm. But before we hear your side, let's go to a brief commercial break. We'll be right back.
I really want to go back there and just know that.
Shop at Banglie's Bogus Bazaar, your one-stop shop for plastic rice, plastic fish, and everything for your next favorite plastic dish.
What a beautiful complexion.
That's because she uses Nasteel Beauty Soap. Nasteel Beauty Soap, now made from plastic. Pick up a bar and feel fantastic.
Welcome back to Onstage. And if you're just joining us, we're here with Just for Fun's very own Carrot. And he was just about to tell us all about his side of the storm with Katina. Right here, right now. Now, Carrot, let us have your side.
My side? Hey, yo, WINFORD, the side me a pre right now, outside. Stay there. Hey, yo, you see me, WINFORD? I know you be so come tell us, oh, I'm tired, you know. I not pre certain things. Cause I can't turn on a fall. Yo, the first thing me I pre, I say, yo, how come WINFORD have him little tablet on the desk? So him can stay up on top of the interview and them sitting there. Why am I going to freestyle my thing?
I think you're taking this out of proportion, Carrot.
WINFORD, but not take nothing out of proportion, star. Let me talk.
Okay.
Like I said, I don't see with the little iPad tablet sitting on the desk. I know what them things there for. Them sit there to keep you on track. Keynotes, special things you have to ask where you don't have to ask. So you don't have to go off of your head.
But Carrot,
WINFORD, let me talk. No interview you say you want. Let me talk. Let me see what I have to say.
okay.
My man just send you a list of things. Oh, you remember all of them something? I come off here ask about my vlogging. I come off here ask about my construction venture what I deal with. I come here for ask about my new music come here work on. I come here for you ask me about my movie and mash up the place. I come here for you show the people my clip and my new movie, the Booga Yaga Saga, will come out soon. But you come put up some video with some idiot girl in my face. I didn't know if I'm not see the little tablet iPad sitting, you know. You have an agenda. You know what you want to deal in your mind.
But Carrot, I must ask the questions that are mostly intriguing to my viewers.
So I say I deal with it. You don't care how me feel about a certain thing. Well, here I'll give you and your viewers them sitting intriguing. And when I say it, I say it just for fun. It's right here, right now. The interview, yeah, done.
Right here, right now.
Yeah, not here, right now. Carrot out. You don't want this. You don't want no interview. Arms out, come in here.
Well, there you have it. Carrot. We'll be back. Unbelievable. So unprecedented.
Yo, Carrot, you know how long I try to get an interview on a show that thing, and you get one and walk off on them thing there. Come like somebody for go make arms out start manage my thing. Boy, bigger, the clientele make it difficult for me. Cause what? I try line up ER, I try line up the fix, I try line up teach them and Shani be them for interview him. But they're not going to see it right now after a stunt like this. Who knows?
Well, here, me just go and work with just for fun, you know. Because any interview or things that I'm going to bring me upon them show, come pick my old sore, make it bleed. Them going to get the same treatment, said speed.